understanding how to improve your personal life. It seems like everyone is searching for secrets to health, wealth and happiness. The catch is if you understand yourself, then you would have the knowledge to be both successful in personal relationships and in business relationships. Like everything, this starts with a plan. Whether you're looking to improve your relationship with your spouse or family member, or move up the corporate ladder, this is all a result of personal growth. Personal growth starts with doing your best at every moment, in your job, home, or day-to-day activities. Setting goals, no matter how small, enables us to soar to new heights and give us the confidence to achieve more. First, understanding what is important. Many times, people stay hung up on other people's expectations on what it is to be successful. Each of us has a different idea of what makes us content. It is important to acknowledge that if we spend most of our time and effort trying to reach someone else's goals, then we find ourselves constantly searching for meaning and continue to be unhappy. Realizing what is important is the first step to improving personal life. Second, balance. Balance is the key to success. Some people do not see the concept of success beyond their own needs. Oftentimes we are caught up in serving a dominant function, which overshadows our natural strengths. This results in stress and imbalance in one's life. Learning to do things for yourself and your own needs are vital to improving your personal life. If you are always doing for others, and seldom take time out for you, then you are building stress rather than improving life. Your happiness should come first. Finding it hard to say no to others becomes common, and we find ourselves so inundated by the needs of other people. Learn to have an even balance in your life with everything you do, and focus on what you want is another way to improve your personal life. Third, self-esteem. Putting yourself down constantly, finding it hard to accept compliments and wishing you are someone else are easy examples that you may be sabotaging your own life. Encourage positive self-talk with yourself and to others. Do not speak negative about yourself and others are vital to great self-esteem. Understanding that no matter what, you are okay. Improving your self-confidence is extremely important when improving your personal life. This will take putting your positive beliefs in the front of your mind, and day by day taking away the negative thoughts. Believing in you is another key to success. If you feel like you are on the road to stress and anxiety, and want more out of life, slow down and take a step back to evaluate what is important. Remember that other people's goals are not always our own. Learn to balance your everyday and lifestyle decisions, and most importantly, think positive. Surround yourself around encouraging, not discouraging people. If you just make small steps to do these things, you will already be improving your personal life without realizing it. The key to success is moving forward. You will need to learn steps to move ahead and stop looking back. Of course, history is important, yet you want to avoid dwelling on past mistakes. Your mistakes are learning tools. Use them, learn from the mistakes, and move ahead. When you surround yourself with positive influences, it helps you to gain the power of processing your life. You have control over conversation and your community. Take back your control and you will improve your overall personal life.